Hi guys, what's up? You watching Mr. Fun and I'm Namai. In today's video, I'll be unboxing Make Your Own Monster Slime and this pack of Make Your Own Monster Slime. So this actually says that mix and make silly slime fun, and these are the contents. It's 8 plus. Let's turn the box. Nothing special here, just some description of the kit. And on the back you can exactly see the things in pictorial form that are included in this pack. And now let's unbox it. So guys, you can see that I've unboxed this, and this is the instruction manual of the Make Your Own Monster Slime. Let's open it and check it out. So guys, it basically tells you how to actually make the slime activator and how to make the slime itself. In the box we get the following things. The main thing is the slime activator or the borax, and then we get some googly eyes with some ink, and the main glue, slime glue, the container, as you can see it right there, and also a small one in which you can store the slime. You can see it right there with the lid. Now let's make the slime activator. So now let's make the slime. So according to the instructions mentioned in the manual, first we'll add the solution of glue and water, then we'll add the dye. Here I'm using red dye. And now we'll activate it by putting in 3 ml of slime activator at once, and we'll repeat this step 2 or 3 times. And our slime is now ready. Guys, I need to say that this is really stretchy and a really nice one. As you can see, this can stretch long enough, and this one's better, I believe. Maybe I pulled it too fast. Yeah, it's really nice and clicky too. And guys, I also made another slime. I also made the blue slime, and the red ink wasn't included in the box. There's only one blue dye that's included in the box, but I also made a red one, or as you can see in the camera, it's orange. And now guys, in order to finish this, or actually in order to make this monster slime, I need to add something to this. Monster eyes. Otherwise, how will we call this a monster slime? And guys, I gotta say that this is the best slime making kit I've ever come across. So although this video isn't sponsored by this Make Your Own Monster Slime, but I'll leave the links in the description so that if you want, you can buy this. And this is not that expensive. It's better than the Elmer's or Nickelodeon slime DIYs boxes too. So thanks so much for watching, and this is Mr. Fun signing off.